28s, heavy Chevys, watch them skate out on the freeway. I'm cruising this on replay, never could get a ticket. Slow lane, bumping SOS band, just reminiscing.
Like 5 miles up the road.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
He had a nice ass car.
I was from Warren Breakfast, down the racetrack in Fredericksburg. I had to leave. It was like everybody, what they call it, mothers.
For real?
Yeah.
Fredericksburg?
Fredericksburg racetrack. Everybody let them.
We're leaving the show. It's a good show, y'all. We 4 deep. Would have been 5 deep, but old Ro had to go home. He had to, some other stuff he had to tend to. But Aaron linked up with us. Aaron all the way at the top. The dark blue OBS. He looking good. All these boys looking good. We on this back road. About to hit up this gas station. Need a little gas, need a little petrol. Good show though. Definitely a good day. I'm gonna get y'all some of this footage from the back road. Nice little old school truck up there too, all the way at the top. Definitely was a good show. I ain't get that much footage like that. Just a few, as y'all see, a few rolling out as the show was over. Need some gas though. Look at that needle. Gotta get some gas though. Definitely some more motivation and some more inspiration to keep it pushing. I'll tell you that much. Definitely. We got a few things on the way anyway though. I got some stuff brewing myself. Definitely gonna get it cracking. For sure, for sure. We out here riding though. Y'all see it. So Aaron right there. So shoot, I'm gonna cut y'all back on. Alright. Getting some gas, getting some gas. These boys out here. What up, y'all? I don't know if I got to close out yesterday. All the recording I was doing. Actually, no, I didn't get to do much recording as I normally do. I was thoroughly enjoying myself. We here right now at the tire shop. But after I hit the 2 shows, I ended up stepping out last night. Switched cars, got a Black Beauty, and stepped out last night for a little bit. Had a good time, but ended up she got 2 nails. So I'm getting that fixed right now. She got 2 nails, so we getting them plugged right now. But I wanted to say, for all the fathers out there, you know what I'm saying, happy Father's Day. Keep doing y'all thing. Stay prayed up, stay positive. Put them kids first. I know we deal with a lot of BS behind the scenes, you know what I'm saying? But keep doing your thing, stay active. And like I said, you know, put the kids first, you know what I'm saying? I know we got sacrifice, stuff like that, but that's what we're here for. You know what I'm saying? We the men, so you know, we carry most of the things, you know what I'm saying? But happy Father's Day to y'all. The ones who watching, you know what I'm saying, the active fathers. Y'all do me a favor, hit that like button, subscribe if you ain't subscribed. And we got some more stuff coming. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, I just want to make a closeout video. So I don't know where I stopped recording. I had a good day yesterday. This whole weekend been lit. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, y'all stay positive. You know what I'm saying? Keep doing y'all thing. By any means, fam. Keep doing what y'all gotta do. All right, we out.